Holy cow.
Remember, I'm videotaping y'all, so. Yeah, we know we shouldn't be doing this at night, but we got plans for this bee trap for in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it tonight. Let's start them up a bit.
Look at all of them hanging off the frame.
Found the queen.
Did you?
Right there.
Oh, look at that.
Where?
Right in the middle. See her climbing up towards the top?
Right there. The light's dead on it.
I don't see her. Oh yeah. Well, I guess. I don't know.
That's her.
That's
I
her.
don't see her.
Point to picture from right there.
I gotta get the frame down in there.
See her right there, Dad?
Look. Right there.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, I don't know if I got it on video or not. Let's keep going.
Taylor, light. I got cross cones.
Okay, keep going, Bill. Can you do... No, they're just... Yeah, you do, don't you?
Shoot right through that road, man. Like that comb at the bottom.
Okay, set it on in there. It may break off, but... It will break off, but...
It's okay.
We'll deal with it tomorrow. Or the next day.
These fucking mosquitoes.
Taylor, stop swatting. You volunteered for this. Maybe take that piece of cone out, Bill. Okay, okay. They're hitting me now. Taylor, the flashlight.
They hit me too.
They're hitting the flashlight. Here, if you got it, you got it. Okay.
I got a big comb built at the door, Uncle Jerry. That's why they were all by the door.
Sorry, I keep hitting me.
I need the light. Alright, we're good.
Holy crap.
Yeah, that's going all the way to the floor. Oh, it's a shame it's built there.
Man, they're torpedoing me in the head.
Holy jeez.
I'm gonna grab that comb, so I'm gonna spray him first.
I don't know how we're going to do anything with it tonight. Bill, I'd stop doing that.
Okay. I was gonna say.
No.
No?
Set it at the door. Lean it up against the door. Bill, they're getting at my... Trying to go up my clothes here.
I can't get it to
Leave it
stay.
there. Well, man. Okay, Bill, tilt that up against this box here. Put this together now. Because you're getting ready to have this by yourself. They're all over this light. You need to put it, you know.
There we go.
Now you gotta tilt that box better so that it goes up to the ledge in front. Okay. Got that piece of cone. Just prop it up against the side
It's
there.
got brood on it.
Does it? We'll put it. Boy,
Alright, let's get out of
that might have been a bad idea.
Mm-hmm.